Hi guys, it's so important to have a sharp knife. Let me show you how to sharpen it. First up, you need to get a steel. Start with the heel of the knife at a slight angle, and we go evenly to the tip. And we do the other side. So 1, 2. Really, that's all you should need to do, and that's called knife maintenance. But it's really hard to take a blunt knife to sharp on just one of these. One of the things I find most reliable is this little baby. So put it on something totally flat, like that. Push it down, put the clamp down, medium heavy weight, medium weight, medium light. Just take the weight off it every time, and then very light. Just gracefully take it through, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, to get that edge. There's a really simple, reliable way to get the edge back on your knife and then maintain it. Good luck, and if you want more tips, click on the link below.